Greetings folks, it's Sarah. Today I have featured the ABC Concept 2 Mini, and I want to talk to you guys about the battens in the stove. I've had multiple people call and possibly say that they can't get their oven up to temperature, the stove isn't burning hot, or possibly they're having issues with it smoking. The first thing to know about this particular stove is it does require a higher chimney to get that nice draft going, and we recommend at least 16 feet. Now, if you have less than 16 feet, you may have an issue with the stove smoking, so you do want to make sure that you're going to be able to have proper chimney height. Now, one thing that you can do if you have a shorter chimney, or if you're having problems with the stove getting a hot or a good enough draft or smoking issues, is you can actually go ahead and remove these battens, and then it'll drastically increase the amount of airflow that's coming into the firebox in there. So pretty much anyone under 20 foot of chimney, I would definitely recommend probably to just start off the bat removing the battens. Now, one thing I will say though about those battens is with them installed, you are going to get a much longer burn time. So it really depends on what your objective is with this stove. If you're looking to do cooking and baking and a lot of like intense hot heating to get the stove as hot as possible, you would want to remove the battens. If you maybe aren't cooking so much, you're looking for longer burns, longer burns where the stove's gonna go all day, you're maintaining your house temperature, maybe you're doing, like a slow roast or baking something at a very low temperature, then you could keep the battens installed. If you're over 25 feet of chimney on your height, then I would recommend keeping the stove as is with the battens installed, and only if you experience any draft issues, then to uninstall them. So I hope that this video on the battens on the Concept 2 Mini was helpful for you guys. If you like these videos, please don't forget to give me that thumbs up. It helps me out so much when you guys like my videos. Also, please click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Be sure to check out my Cook Stove Queen page. Thank you guys for being here. God bless and have a wonderful day.